everyone. Good morning,
guys.
Internet family.
Hey guys. So today we're on the way to explore Wells Grey Provincial Park. We've never been there.
No.
It's on a different side of the road. We usually go to Banff and Jasper. We explore the Canadian Rockies. This goes a bit different way, but it's beautiful. We always miss that park. We always wanted to visit it. So we're going to explore Wells Grey.
And we already did chores in the morning. They did the animals. I did the garden a little bit.
Of
Water
course.
in the garden.
Of course, but you've seen lots of animals. So today we're going to show you something different. So now we're on the way there. So we stopped at Little Fort and
just to stop in the in the shop,
get some cows, get
Ariel
washy
and
time.
Ariel really wanted to eat something, so we will do now.
Yep,
the regular stuff on the way,
and we'll have fun. We're hungry. Subway time. There we are, Wells Grey Provincial Park. Yay, let's go. Alright, so we're in the Wells Grey Provincial Park now, and we're doing a hike towards Waterfalls. That's how we pronounce them. Anyway, it's M-O-U-L. I think that's how you pronounce them. Anyway, that's our take on it. So we're going to do the hike. And it's smoking hot in here, like really hot. Very hot. But we're up for an adventure. Correct? Yes, you see, he's too hot to talk. So, let's go. I'm a butterfly.
Okay, we have full zoo here. So, yep.
No, farm.
Okay, farm. I'm an only human here. Butterfly, butterfly.
Waterfall! We found it! Walking behind the waterfall was amazing. I loved it. Yeah, she didn't go. The water is splashing in your face. It's really cold and it's quite rough. And well, not too rough, truly. And my glasses totally splashed, and I was like, I can see sort of. But it was awesome, and it's such a smoking hot day. It was perfect day to go and get wet in a cold waterfall. Now,
on the other hand,
this guy.
I hated it so much.
It was too cold and too splashy.
Not the reason.
Too splashy?
No. No one mentioned it.
Yeah, I didn't enjoy it by parts. I think he didn't like the cold water when it's going in your eyes and your face, and you really can't see much.
And you can breathe.
And it's like, yeah.
It's hard to breathe? No?
Well, if you turn like this and you put your hand down, it's okay. I don't know. I like it.
I have people.
So see, I'll change different outfit. And we're going to see now Dawson Falls, right?
Yes. And this is also Hubba Bubba. Hubba Bubba?
Hubba Bubba. Watermelon strawberry flavor.
Yeah. Let's make a bubble.
Ha 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 ha.
See? Waterfall? Waterfall? And now we're at the Helmicken Falls.
They're huge and wonderful and beautiful, and there is a rainbow. I'm not sure you can see, but
Yes, but they have
just
a video of the
spectacular.
rainbow. You'll see it. You'll see it. And it's literally like 3-minute scroll from the car here, unless you really parked really far, and that's why it takes 3 minutes. Otherwise, it's really, if you just go
20
to the
seconds.
falls, yeah, there is a hike, takes like 8 kilometers, but if you just follow the signs of the falls, like literally 3 minutes scrolling.
Max.
And now we're going to see the last waterfalls on our list, spot waterfalls. So let's see them. Are you guys ready? Let's
almost,
see them. Oh, la 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 la.
I don't know what. I don't know how she has a. I don't know how she has a drive to do la 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 la, because I don't anymore. That's it. But I was driving, and
You were driving the last, what, half an hour, and we fell asleep, both of us, so
Snoozed.
I snoozed a little bit, so maybe that's what it is.
probably. Now in the sunshine.
Let's sunshine and the waterfalls.
Okay, and we ended up in Timmy's for dinner. And this is for 150 Nanaimo Bardoni. Yes, that's how Canadian Timmy's celebrate. Apparently in United States they have bacon and maple syrup.
Or maple glaze, maybe. I don't know
Maple
what
glaze,
it is.
yeah, something with bacon.
Sounds way cooler.
Way
We want that
cooler
one.
than
We want
Nanaimo
that
Bar.
one.
Yeah, but oh well.
Oh well.
And now we're eating. It took us forever to decide somehow. We couldn't decide today. What you eating?
Steak and cheese panini and chili.
Chili. Ariel, cheese panini.
Same cheese panini, but Caesar salad.
Salad. And I'm having chili and croissant chicken salad. So yes, and coffee.
French vanilla. So
And frozen lemonade. Normal salad.
And decaf coffee large. Not really adventurous today, somehow. So yeah, we're going to have a dinner. And yeah. It was sure fun and eventful day. So I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. And don't forget to subscribe, write us a comment, thumbs up us, and cheers, loving life. Go towards your joy and do something fun every day. See you next time. Check our online shop. We have Go Towards Your Joy t-shirts, tank tops, cups, stickers, and unicorns. Thank you. Love you.